3, 2, 1.
When was the ICC, official base in The Hague in the Netherlands, established? The answer is B, 2002. Organize hair ties and scrunchies. How would you do this? The answer is A, keep them in empty baby wipe container. Why did police search her car? The answer is D, she had an ID that was obviously fake. A ribbon, how would you do this? The answer is A, can hold papers together. What might this person be a fan of? The answer is C, movies. What does John Travolta's character James Ubriaco do for a living in the 1989 comedy movie Look Who's Talking? The answer is B, he is a cab driver. What did I do after reading the paper? The answer is C, I watched Scary Movie for the first time. Some compounds form rigid frameworks called what? The answer is A, crystals. Red-green color blindness is an example of a sex-linked condition caused by what? The answer is B, recessive allele. How many times has this person made a card just like this before? The answer is C, never before. When was the Treaty of Kayakter written? The answer is C, 1727. What actress portrayed Sam's girlfriend, Michaela Baines, in the 2009 science fiction movie Transformers: Revenge of the Fallen? The answer is D, Megan Fox. Why did the USA launch the Galileo space probe? The answer is D, to explore Jupiter. How does Barb feel about blood? The answer is C, Barb does not like to hear about bleeding. How to get perfect scrambled eggs, how would you do this? The answer is A, cook in a double boiler. The Arkansas toothpick is better known by what name? The answer is D, Bowie knife. Which war is being referred to? The answer is C, World War Roman II. What year was the study cancelled by World Wildlife Fund? The answer is C, 2014. Why did I cancel all of my plans for the weekend? The answer is B, gas prices had skyrocketed unexpectedly. What may happen in the next 5 minutes? The answer is D. He may tell her sweet things. On what part of the body is an LTK procedure performed? The answer is B. Eyes. What is the name of the strong alkaline solution frequently used in soap making and drain cleaning? The answer is C. Lye. What year did Donald Trump marry his third wife, Melania Nostrump? The answer is B. 2005. Prevent cold sensation from eye drops. How would you do this? The answer is A. Run bottle under hot water for a few seconds. What may happen while visiting Washington, D.C.? The answer is D. We would see all of the historical landmarks. Academicians have debated the origins of La Jolla's name, but it is generally accepted that the name comes from a variation of the Spanish La Joya, which means what? The answer is D. The jewel. 6 inches equates to how many millimeters? The answer is A. 152. To teach a child their ABCs, how would you do this? The answer is A. Watch YouTube, sing to them, practice with them. Why wouldn't they have blankets? The answer is A. They couldn't afford them. When did the Norman conquest occur? The answer is A. 1066. How many helicopters came from the Plough? The answer is A. 60. At what age did Victoria inherit the throne upon the death of her father's 3 eldest brothers? The answer is C. 18. What is the highest number on the Beaufort scale of wind measurement? The answer is B. 17. In which of the following fields did Islamic civilization most influence Europeans at the time of the Crusades? The answer is C. Mathematics. To tie off the end of sausage casing for meat snack sticks, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a twist tie. Which statement explains what will most likely happen to the hydrosphere in an area where air temperatures increase? The answer is D. Evaporation will increase. When did the global economic recession start? The answer is C. 2007. Hey, you stay away from the frozen food section. Your boobs still harden is a bit of dialogue from which movie? The answer is D. Big Daddy. When did the Egyptian Islamic Jihad support Anwar Sadat? The answer is B. 1981. How many solo patents did Bell get? The answer is D, 18. When did Washington University become part of the University Athletic Association? The answer is D, 1978. A man is riding a horse and roping a calf. What happens next? The answer is D, jumps off the horse and hog ties the calf. What is the title of the popular partly autobiographical book written by Casanova? The answer is C, Story of My Life. Long-term storage of what elements occurs when matter from living organisms is buried deep underground and becomes fossilized? The answer is C, carbon. Nicotine patches were introduced in which year? UK? The answer is D, 1992. What kind of test would need to be taken for this story to take place? The answer is A, NCLEX. How does the narrator identify politically? The answer is D, they are a Democrat. Why is the narrator using so many green stones in the piece? The answer is C, the narrator is fulfilling a request. What color is Barney the dinosaur from the children's program? The answer is D, purple. In what year did Flight 19, a training flight of TBM Avenger bombers, go missing while over the Atlantic?